Uganda produces thousands of engineering graduates every year, but here's the hard truth. Most of them end up unemployed and cannot fit in today's industry standards. Why? Because our universities are teaching old content for a new world. Today the world is moving to artificial intelligence, automation, renewable energy, e-mobility, but our classrooms are still stuck in the 1980s. According to research that was conducted by one Lilian Romushana, Uganda's education system has a very big skills gap. It has more of theory and emphasizes less practical and research. So when you look at universities like MIT, the collaboration between the industry and the curriculum is very good. Companies like Tesla, Toyota, Siemens are collaborating directly with MIT to influence the development of the curriculum and also partner on research. While here in Uganda, you can never find such an initiative. You cannot tell me that top engineering companies here in Uganda cannot collaborate with universities in formulating a current up-to-date curriculum. So this is a very big problem. The big distance between the outside industries and the policy makers for the engineering curriculum is very worrying. The other issue is the student factor. See, before we blame the universities, many students today are more focused on getting a first class, getting good grades, but they do not have a mentality for innovation. They do not have a mentality for skill searching. They do not have a mentality to research and get acquainted with the current industry trends and with the liberalization of the education sector. Today, most private universities are outperforming the public universities. Reason being is that their policy formulation and implementation is faster. So when it comes to implementing an up-to-date curriculum and also financing research, it will be easier for a private university than one funded by government. A final question to anyone viewing this video. What other factors do you think have contributed to the production of inefficient engineering graduates, and what do you think would be the solution?